Say goodbye to unwanted hair and get the beautiful, smooth skin you've always wanted. Veet Wax's effective formula leaves your skin smooth for up to 4 weeks. Here are the steps to beautiful, smooth skin. First, ensure your skin is completely clean and dry to allow the wax to be most effective. To begin using the wax, remove the seal off the product and place the jar in the microwave for 1 minute. Remember that this time depends on how much wax you need to heat and the power of your microwave. You can also use a water bath in a pan. Once the wax is heated, use the end of the spatula with the blue square on it to stir the wax and test its temperature. This tells you when the wax is ready. If the wax is too hot, the word "no" will appear at the end of the spatula. If this happens, let it cool down before rechecking the temperature again with the spatula. If you feel the wax is ready, you can carry on. Spread the wax using the spatula in the direction the hair grows in thin layers. Then, immediately place a strip over the layer of wax and smooth it down. Now it's time to be brave. Stretch your skin tight, grip the end of the strip and pull it back as quickly as you can against the direction the hair grows. You can reuse each strip, even if the wax is already stuck to it. But remember, don't wax over the same area more than once. If you have any wax left on your skin, simply wash it off with water. Veet Wax is perfect for use on trickier areas, such as your underarms and the bikini line. For your underarms, remember that the hairs grow in 2 directions. Therefore, you'll have to do them in 2 stages. For your bikini zone, bend your leg outwards to make it easier to target the hairs, and it's best to only wax a small area at a time. It's done! The modern approach to traditional waxing leaves your skin smooth for up to 4 weeks.